Hello, young adventurers. Welcome to Alphabet Adventure Jungle Journey. Today, we're setting off on an exciting expedition through a magical jungle, where each letter of the alphabet will bring new treasures and surprising creatures. Ready to explore the wonders of letters from A to Z? Let's begin our journey. Our adventure starts here, beneath the arch of A. Look, a friendly alligator greets us. A is for alligator and apple. Can you find more treasures starting with A? B is for butterfly and bluebells, such beautiful blooms. C for cheetah and coconut, what speed he has. D is for duckling and dance. Let's dance too. G for gorilla and gems, shiny discoveries. H is for hippo and hum. Let's hum along. I for iguana and ice. J is jaguar and jelly. Look at him go. K is for koala and kites. Reaching high. L is for lion and leaf. Time to relax. M is for monkey and mangoes. Yummy treats. N for newt, so nimble and neat. O is for owl and orange ovals. P for parrot and paint. Look at the colors. Q is for quail and quiet. Let's be quiet too. U is for unicorn and umbrella, magical sights. V is for vulture and vegetables. W is for walrus and write. What is he writing? Finally, X marks the spot where all our treasures unveil. We've found letters, treasures, and made many new friends along our journey. Remember all the wonderful letters in our alphabet adventure today. Keep exploring the world of letters around you. Thanks for joining us, adventurers. More magical journeys await you next time on Alphabet Adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join our future expeditions.